I'm at the Sioux Falls Ice Show checking out the latest ice fishing gear and tech. If you want to see more like this, subscribe to the channel. Let's jump in.
We are Deep Freeze. This is our new drill case for this year. Insulated drill case. We have a custom molded expanded polypropylene base here that sits inside the case. Very nice latches, easy to use, just snap down like that. Easy open with big gloves on. We have plenty of space in here for other accessories as well. Down here we have a bit driver, we have the bits. You can keep the big batteries on your drill as well. That's a great feature of this. Lots of room here for other batteries. We have an optional warming pack down here. So the cost on that is $150. On the website at the show this weekend, we are at $130. So that is the insulated drill case. So here we have our new ice anchors for this season, the Gen 2024 Easy Anchors. You can see a super aggressive cutting tip there. They're part of the Easy Auger system, so they'll be direct drive off of our 7/16 quick chuck. But the upside of these things is they screw in very easily by hand. They bite really well into the ice. We do have our other anchors from 23. Those would be more for the guys using the drill all the time. If you think you're going to need to screw them in by hand, this is a way to go, the stainless steel model.
And if people are interested in picking them up, where can they go?
Yeah, you can head to our website at deepfreezefishing.com. We'll have all of our products there. Otherwise, any of our retailers will have limited supply of the different products, but Shields, Fleet Farm would be other places to get our products.
Great, thank you.